Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lynshop po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Myntri Rangbah jong kesorkar jela Konrad Konggel Sangma mentakasngi kekhat khandai tarik ubna jemang arjar arpuai ulama hami kipat ba bakimdai ban Kheiñ sting ye kejingpang COVID-19 namar ba amla aban ong yo kan wan selat biang hakajela hakasin kabalai haba keren sikilat pathai khobor Konrad ulaong baga jingwan selat uniu kenyang jingpang coronavirus hakakela kabaar kalawan ra kejing kendit ya barok khamtam bakala kta ajur ya keba khamsamla hapding lai pusau bat sau pusan snem kereta bat kadai kejing tenjo ka basharkhai ka sorkar kumno ban penkre ban te lakam ya kani ka Khlam katkum gajing ong Myntri Rangbah kesorkar menta kala penkre ye kilat kilenti barok ban te lakam ye kejing por state kani ka jingpang wat ladakan wan ha ka kela ka balai jong kani ka jingpang ru kala don kejing penkre ru kumno ban yada na kejing syak ta jong kito ki bakhat prasnem syapo na kani ka jingpang Myntri Rangbah ula kubur ru bahakum kani ka por kadon kam ye kejing ye trailang bat kejing ai jing mut jong barok amtang ki politician hanrei nadu ki nongilam snong ru kumjo bat ka emlang sa lang.
One cannot really estimate or really conclude that third wave is going to be in this way or that way. It's very difficult to assess. We just don't know how the virus will behave. When the second wave came and it started hitting the younger age group, 35, 40, 45, it was kind of a surprise because we all understand that mutation of viruses don't take it doesn't happen so fast, but the way this particular virus is mutated got everybody by surprise. So it will always be a challenge. Let's not I should say the worst thing we can do is to let our guards down. So therefore we need to be prepared for all eventualities. We need to see all different kind of scenarios, do our best to ensure that we're able to stop the spread of the virus even now, and most probably we will, that if a third wave does come, then we need to ensure that the spread needs to be contained very fast. And obviously infrastructure building is something that will be a continuous process. So it will be very important that we continue to do it, but we have to keep in mind that no matter how many beds we get, it will never be enough. There will come a point in time where we may run out of beds. So it's a scenario which one needs to be prepared for, but we will do our best to expand. You have seen, and today we have presented to all the members that in the last 3 weeks to 4 weeks, we have almost doubled our capacity in almost every aspect. So we are moving at war footing on this, and we're creating all different options so that we are able to handle things and manage things in a better manner, even now and even for the future. So we have to be prepared. The good part about at least this particular situation or this pandemic that we're facing is that in the second phase or the second wave, the vaccine has come, and so we are hopeful that once the production is bumped up, once the production supply chain from the companies and from Government of India is streamlined and we get the sufficient vaccines, we're hopeful that would really help us fight this in some stronger manner, I should say. But once again, the 18 and below age group will still be vulnerable. So therefore, one will really have to see how things happen. So right now, with what is in front of us is a challenge of ensuring that we reduce the speed of the spread of this virus, and as mentioned by the Honorable Speaker and the Honorable LO, that we need to all come together, we need to work together. Today's meeting is another very, very powerful message to the people of the state, that when it comes to the health and lives and interest of the people, the opposition, the ruling, all of us will always work together and give positive suggestions and ensure that we always contribute in a positive manner. And that message is something that the people should should understand also, and need to also participate while we fight this virus. So therefore, not just at the political leadership, but this has to go down all the way to society, to every village and to every household. This fight is, as we said, the virus spreads and behaves in unpredictable manners. So therefore, we need to be careful even at a household level. So therefore, this is a very strong message, and I once again would like to thank the Honourable Speaker for having convened this meeting, and thank the Honourable LO and all the members from different political parties who have given very, very good suggestions, and definitely we have taken note of the suggestions, and we will do our best to ensure that we make improvements in every aspect of the health delivery mechanism. We have right now more than 1 lakh doses, and the supply will last us for the next 9 to 10 days. But there has been a change in the protocol that has been put in by Government of India, where they have increased the weeks from 4 weeks, 6 weeks to now, was it 12 weeks? 6 to 8 weeks to 12. Yeah, 12 to 16 weeks now, which is 3 months to 4 months. So therefore, it must be, if the individuals have not received the second dose, it's not because of non-availability, but it must be because the change in protocol and that time has not come yet. So I would urge all the citizens to kindly bear with us. We will have to follow the protocols of Government of India, and based on those protocols only the vaccinations will be given. And as and when your vaccination is due, you will get the vaccination. Thank you.